Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the outline color of shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change the outline color of a shape. Firstly, we insert some shapes in this document. Go to the Insert menu and click Shapes option and insert some shapes. Now I insert these shapes and another shapes. Now I click the shape and go to the Format menu. Then click the Shape Outline drop down menu and choose any color. I choose the red color. Then apply this process in another shapes. Now you can see we change the outline color of a shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.